We all have those wild, crazy ideas for game assets, but sometimes things go difficult when we do not know how to model. So in this video, I'm showing you how to DIY literally any 3D asset you can think of, no modeling experience required. All you need is one reference image, upload it to the 3D generator, and we just wait a few seconds. You can also try batch generation, upload multiple images all at the same time, and it cranks out a whole set of 3D assets together. This is perfect if you're building out a full Roblox game, weapons, decor, props, all done in one go. You can really go wild and build a whole unique themed world with this. Export them in GLB format, which works perfectly with Game Studio. Whether you are a full-time game dev, or just messing around making games for fun, this tool is such a game changer. Drop a comment and tell us what's the wildest asset you'd make, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more game dev tips and tricks. Catch you guys in the next video.